A very chilly feel to the weather across much of eastern England. Last night we saw sharp frost again in Norfolk at Coltishall, down as low as -4. And I think we will see a touch of frost for a time through this evening across East Anglia, down through the South and East Midlands and into southern England. But as the wind picks up through the rest of the night, that frost gradually lifting. Temperatures continuing to rise through into tomorrow morning, and by lunchtime tomorrow, quite a different feel to the weather, I think, across the southeast. Temperatures heading up towards 9 or 10 degrees. The change coming about as this weather system comes in out of the Atlantic. Some very strong winds coming in ahead of that. Gales, in fact, for northwestern areas. Some heavy rain too. That'll be crossing all parts of the British Isles through tonight and into the early part of tomorrow. The front, though, I think, becoming eventually rather stuck across the southeast here, taking some time to clear away. It's the fog that's been taking time to clear away, though, through today from Merseyside across into the Vale of York. It should eventually go elsewhere. A little bit of brightness around, probably the best of it down through East Anglia, western parts of Wales and the east of Scotland. But where the cloud lingers, temperatures very much on the low side again, only about 3 degrees, in fact, over parts of the East Midlands. We're soon going to find that rain, though, getting in across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland later on this afternoon. We can follow its progress southwards across most areas through the course of the night, then ending up across the southeast once we get through in towards tomorrow morning. So a wet start to the day for many of these central areas, all the way from southwest England up through central Wales into northern England. That rain edging that bit further southwards through the course of the afternoon, but becoming stuck, I think, reluctant to clear from London and particularly from Kent. The cloud and rain hanging on here till quite late in the day. A dry and bright day eventually, though, across many of these central areas. A fair number of showers, though, packing in across western Scotland and turning rather wintry over the high ground as the day goes on. Looking ahead into Wednesday, perhaps a little bit of a drier, brighter spell coming in for these southern areas. This area of high pressure builds across. Still a fair number of showers, though, across in the north, and again quite wintry over the Scottish hills. That's the weather.